Yeah, hi, welcome to today's video. We're going to be looking at a site called PayParTask, and we're going to find out whether it is possible to earn $100 per day, which is what they state on their website. But make sure you stay tuned right to the very end. We're also going to be uncovering 6 things that you're going to need to know before you actually go and join PayParTask. So let's jump over to the desktop, run through it right now, do a full PayParTask review and find out whether you can earn $100 a day. Okay, so we've come on to the PayParTask website, and as you can see here, it says get up to $100 per day. Easiest way to make extra money in part-time. Now, the first thing you'll notice when you come onto this website, as I did, some of the English on the website is not brilliant, and straight away that does also start saying alarm bells a little bit. But let's give it a go, and we're going to check it out and show you exactly how you can actually earn tasks and whether you can actually earn $100 a day. We're going to go into the website very, very shortly, but stay tuned right to the very end, because we're also going to go through 6 different things that we're going to bring to your attention that you're going to want to know before you actually go and join PayParTask. Now, there's various things on the front page of the website here. Why should you join PayParTask? The work benefits will obviously work from anywhere. Earn a maximum, it says, earn up to $100 daily. It says you can earn by inviting friends and make extra instantly. Customers, downloads, satisfied active users. All big numbers here, but are they true? This is what we're here to find out. There are always questions here as well. How do I earn from PayParTask? How do I get my earned payments, etc. And we're going to cover all this very shortly as we're going to go into the back of PayParTask, find out all about it, and find out whether you can actually earn $100 per day. So the first thing you need to do is obviously register. So just click on the register button here. Put in your email address and enter your password. And it says here, get $5 welcome gift after you complete your profile. And then click on the sign into your account to agree to the terms and conditions, and then create your account. So very easy to sign up to. Once you've done that, you'll go into the actual site. So let's go and have a look inside the site and find out what it's all about. So this is the sort of thing you'll see when you actually hit the dashboard inside. As you can see, I've earned $1 in the last 7 days. Here are my tasks, and as you can see, there are quite a few different tasks here. In fact, there are loads of tasks. All it says you've got to do is literally hit the start task button. Now, if you start the task, you wait for a short period and it will load this page. So it now tells you you have to stay for 1 minute on the last page, okay? Otherwise, you don't get paid for the task. So the step 1 is you've got to find this box here and click on one of the related ads. Step 2 is you've got to click on one of the related links here. And step 3 is you've got to, again, click on the link below in one of these screenshots similar to this. Now at the bottom here, step 4, it says you'll see a page like this, and you have to complete that page by staying on it for at least 1 minute. And then all you got to do is, it says please start task. Now, as you can see, we've come on to just a blog post really on this workandpower.com. And this is an ad, related ads that are actually on there. So if we click on one of these related ads, this opens up in a new tab. And then again, we've got this page here, which again, we said we should click on one of those ads, which we've done. And this brings us through to the final page, and which says obviously that we have to again click on one of these links, which then takes us through to this page here. And it says we just have to wait on this page for the next minute. So while we're doing that, we go back onto the site here. The first thing you can do, we can try and refresh and see whether we have actually been paid for that task. And as you can see, it has gone through. We've got 50 cents for that task. Now, the only thing that worries me a little bit with this is obviously these are all just ads, and these are ads that people are putting on these particular websites. They are paying to have this article put on these actual blog posts, and Google will be charging them for doing that. So you're just clicking on these, you're just giving this website revenue from related ads. So I wouldn't mind betting that this particular website is possibly owned by these people that own the actual website PayParTask. So it's 50 cents per task, and all you got to do is click some buttons, which is fine, but like I say, a little bit unethical the way they are doing it possibly. But what the things that are more concerning are things that are going to come up very shortly, and I want to stay tuned for those, because there's 6 things you're going to need to know exactly about PayParTask before you go and join. Now, obviously, if you're liking this video, now is the time to obviously give us a quick thumbs up, and also make sure you obviously subscribe to the channel right now and hit that notification bell, and you'll get notified every time we make new videos. Okay, so let's run through these 6 things that obviously are quite alarming to me. If we go to Team, it says here that you can obviously, it says on the front page, you can actually earn money by referring other people. Now it says you can earn 10% for each member you actually refer, but the member has to be is activated in your team member is worked for $100 minimum. So in other words, they have to reach $100 minimum before that they will be activated as a team member, and you will actually earn 10%. So whether you earn 10% on that $100, I don't know, but you certainly don't earn anything to begin with. So that's a little bit misleading because it says that you refer people and you earn instantly. Well, you're not going to earn instantly, obviously, straight away because of that. Now, withdrawal, if you go on to withdrawal here, that obviously tells me that I've got $2, and it also tells me that I've got to get to $99 before I can withdraw. Now, this is quite high for a site like this. Normally $5, $10 would be acceptable, but you'd probably get more than less than 50 cents per task, obviously clicking on ads normally. Oh, just beware up here as well. It says withdrawal request submit, and it says 20th to the 25th date of every month. So in other words, you can only withdraw a request between the 20th or the 25th, or whether you only get paid between the 20th and 25th. Again, really poor English. Don't really understand that completely. But what it isn't instant withdrawal. So that is incorrect. So if we go on to KYC here, now it says on the front of their website again, in their questions in there, they're going to pay via PayPal or bank transfer. So you've got bank transfer here, and you've obviously got different things here. PayPal, PayPack, never heard of that. UPay, never heard of that. Port Wallet, never heard of that. Payoneer, yes, I've heard of that. But they only give you, it says you can only set up one method of payment below. So if we were, for argument's sake, going to do PayPal, then obviously you want to give your name and PayPal. Whatever you do, guys, I wouldn't fill in this at all until you even get near the payout threshold, because of, this could be that they could just actually want your actual information. And I think this is what a lot of this website is all about. So if we go across to profile, now, obviously, it says here I've got to fill in a photo, put my mobile number in here. But what I have done, when I actually signed up, I didn't put any, obviously, name in here because it didn't ask me for a name. But I just put a fictitious email, testtest@gmail.com. Didn't have to verify it. So again, that is a red flag to me. Don't have to verify your email. So that just proves that it probably isn't a legit site. I don't know, but and that's just the way I'm thinking because of that. So like I say, there are loads of things going on here. So if we ask questions here, and if we go through the questions, it says here, how much money can I withdraw from PayParTask? It says a maximum of $99 can be withdrawn at a time. Well, that's the maximum, but it's also the minimum. So I don't quite understand whether you're going to get paid. Perhaps you're not, because that's the maximum and that's the minimum. You can withdraw only one time a day. Well, no, it says that you can only withdraw between the 20th and the 25th dates each month, which is what it says here. Allow users for add payments requests within 20th to 25 dates. So that's when you only request a payout. So if you can only request a payout between those 5 days, you can't withdraw every day, obviously. So that again is not a very good information. It also is in this app, one task is equal to 10 cents. Well, it's not. It's obviously been paying me 50 cents. So again, not true. And also it's talking about an app. There is nowhere here to download an app or go and download an app. It's purely based on the web, according to this. And you've probably come to the same conclusion I have by seeing some of these things. So it's obviously been chucked together, this website, a little bit. And I think that you're probably best just to stay well away from PayParTask and go and check out some other websites similar to this where you do get paid. And I'll put a video at the end of this video of loads of different sites which you can actually go and start getting paid legitimately for the tasks that you do. But at the end of the day, I'm telling you now, really just stay well clear of PayParTask because I don't think you're ever going to get paid out here. Okay, trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch these videos next. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and then you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We'll see you on the next video.